The roads outside of the stadium have been bumper to bumper with traffic. The car parks are full. There is a torrent of humankind making its way from the nearby station, and we expect every seat to be filled. An atmosphere of great expectation and excitement. Certainly this is a very, very impressive venue. Quite a sight to behold. Things have got underway here pretty prompt. And Torres!
They have a habit of making their presence felt, and here we are, early stages. He struck one, and he looks hungry for more. Well, you know, thinking about that, I think they've perfected that on the training ground, because it took them seconds to get the ball from back to front, and they really commit forward in numbers too. That was all very well drilled.
Well, that has certainly made things interesting. Good defending there. They've slammed the door in the faces of the opposition. Mbappe
really got caught in a trap there, and he just couldn't get out.
Pass needed to be better than that, and he knows it. He could have been in, just needed a better final ball.
Quality deserted them when they really needed it.
Out to the right. Oh, that's clearly not what he wanted to do. It's on, goes the goal, away with it.
The first touch was absolutely heavenly, and because of it, the finish was a mere formality.
So the lead now is 2.
That second goal has such a polarising effect on prospective moods. I mean, one team are under more pressure now to get the next goal, and the other will fancy their chances in turn. Lewandowski! Perhaps deserves a little bit of sympathy here, because that's a goalkeeper's nightmare. It's clear that the keeper was unsighted by his defence, and by the time he picked up the flight of that, it was too late.
And it's Vieira. Ball through needs to be good here. He's off on a marauding run. Torres. And Torres! And better.
Yeah, looking back at that, that's how you play on the counter. Quick and decisive and ruthless with the finish. I thought it was a stunning, stunning breakaway.
He snaffles his third, and that earns him the match ball.
That defence must be sick of the sight of him. He's been persistent and ruthless all game. He just hasn't stopped working.
Well, that has changed the dynamic somewhat.
Listen, it's up to them now how they think about it from here, because for me it's crying out for them to force the issue.
Well weighted. It's got through, looking to force his way through. Has a pop! And more and more! All too easy! They are in danger of disappearing out of sight! That really is quite fabulous. All his own doing.
Oh, look, it's always great.
And the first half is done.
Well, I would think this one is possibly over as a contest. They know.
So off we go once more. Chilwell. Can't say.